Today we're using Tickled Pink by Sexy Smooth Wax, and she is still that girl. Golden Allure has been taking over, but I had to bring it back to pink, okay? So we're doing eyebrows. Simple cleanup. As you can see, my client here has gorgeous eyebrows. She's in the process of regrowing them, and they are getting exactly to where she wants them to be, so I'm happy for her. She waxes them probably about every, I want to say 3 months, so it's not necessarily needed every 4 weeks when she comes in for her Brazilian, but we make sure we keep an eye on them, and she's been loving the process so far. So, Tickled Pink, guys, is on sale right now. It is Sexy Smooth Wax's 1-year anniversary. It's already been 1 year using all the amazing colors that they have to offer. But Tickled Pink in particular is on sale. If you check out and use code Tickled Pink, it's going to drop down each bag to about $7.53. Now, I don't know why it's that price or how they came up with that number. All I know is that is a good ass price. So you better go and stock up if you need some wax. If you're an at-home waxer or if you are an esthetician, perfect time to stock up because it is really good. You can go and watch my other videos of me using it, of course, so you see how it works on the underarms, Brazilian, legs, everywhere else. I have a playlist in my bio, guys. Don't forget, that's where you can watch all my videos. So as you can see here, I am just trying my best not to get too close to anything. Close enough, but not too close. You want to just make sure that you do what you tell the client you're going to do when you're waxing their brows, which is just a simple, basic cleanup. Just like that. And then whatever you do on one side should be the other side. Remember, brows are not identical twins. They are like long lost cousins, you know, frenemies, etc. So they're never going to look the same, but you can try your best to get it that way. Anyways, my client brows look really good, and don't forget to go stock up on that Sexy Smooth Wax Tickled Pink. Like I said, the deal's only good until September 2nd, and I don't want you guys to be missing out because y'all know me, I'm not going to gatekeep no good deal, okay? Have a good day. Bye.